Sure, okay. That's what I thought, but...
Yeah. No.
All right. I'm Jonathan here at Humanoids Summit with Bachar. I had two questions for you. What is Humanetics?
Thank you. My name is Bachar Aljundi. I work as Chief Product Officer for Humanoid. Humanetics is world-leading crash dummy manufacturer and supplier. We have the hardware form and also the finite element simulation form.
Okay.
So we have about 19% of the market.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah. So as dummies relevant to some extent, although static, but designed for safety, for occupant safety, basically. So dummies are human-like in the form of automotive industry, for the automotive industry, and to make the car safer. So why we're interested in humanoids?
Yes.
It is really an extension of dummies, basically, with intelligent dummies, if you will. And with that, the humanoids, as they interact with the human, you need to look into this human safety also as well, similar to dummies.
Okay.
So we are in this market to understand that and to help humanoids companies and manufacturers help them in designing a safer humanoids as a device in an area where the real human obviously will be interacting with them. So it's really important.
Okay.
We're not talking about impact like an airbag in a car where you could have a bone breakage or something, but we're talking about milder impact, like laceration, an impact on a face, facial injuries of a
more
human.
than just that blunt force.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. And so how we can help to assess this impact and making sure that a humanoid design will be improved. Humanoid will be smarter when it predict or an impact inevitable with the human.
Okay.
How we can reduce that impact to make it less injurious, if you will.
So this is really important work for health and safety of everyone.
Absolutely.
So if people are interested, how would they want to learn more about?
Well, it would be great. Humanetics, atd.com, HUMNA, atd.com. It's our company website, and they can reach me also, Bachar Aljundi, Aljundi at humanetics.com.
Great. All right. Well, thank you for coming.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I'm going to